the name of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. And my name is Aashi Sharma and I study in Manav Rachna International School, grade 4, Southern Ocean. So let's begin. Once there lived an ant who was baked under the hot sun. He was struggling very hard for the winters for the food, so he was collecting corns and grains. And there was a very lazy grasshopper which was seeing the ant struggling so hard. And then he said, "Hey, why are you struggling so hard? Winters are months away. Come and relax." Then the ant replied, "No, I can't do that because the tides just flew away. And I suggest you that you also collect some food for the winters." But the grasshopper just ignored the ant and went back away. Soon it was the winter time and the grasshopper did not have anything to eat, and the grasshopper was worried, and then he went to the ant and begged him for some food and some corn. But the ant refused angrily. "I'm not gonna give you anything because when I suggested you were refusing and you ignored it." And the foolish grasshopper went back hungry. He felt sorry for himself and then enjoyed the plenty of the food. So the moral of the story is it is better to prepare for tomorrow. So I hope you like the story, and yes, thank you. Bye.